Hi everyone, Megan Stanzak here from Stanzak Retail Consulting. Just popping in to give you a little bonus training video. Today I want to talk about that 30-day grace period on Amazon after launching your product on the marketplace. And I want to talk about the launch date field, which is really key here. So let me share my screen with you. First, we'll talk about that 30-day review period. We'll just recap it. Let's see. Share. All right, here we go, guys. Okay, so if you remember from my first training video in my Understanding How to Grow Sales on Amazon series and e-course, we talked about this 30-day grace period during an Amazon product page launch, right? So as we all know, conversion rate is the #1 driving factor of Amazon SEO and the sales momentum cycle, except in that first 30 days of a new product being added to the Amazon catalog, right? So within that first 30 days, after a listing is created and visible on Amazon.com, traffic is the most important factor in increasing your sales volume, right? So, and improving your Amazon SEO. So ways to drive traffic to your listing include Amazon advertising in the form of PPC or pay-per-click campaigns, as well as driving traffic from outside of Amazon to your new Amazon listings. You'll also want to run promotions if you actually really want to start driving those sales, right? In addition to driving traffic to your listing, you don't really want that traffic to go to waste. So running promotions can help to boost your conversion rate, especially when it's a new product. Another thing that is super helpful that we didn't talk about in the training is that launch date field that you can find in the back end of Seller Central by going to manage inventory and then editing the listing that's newly launched or going to be launched. Let's show you what that looks like. All right, guys, so you can see my screen here. I have the product information not showing to respect the privacy here of the product page. So in this more details tab, I'm going to actually hit Control F to do a launch date find function. I'm going to type in launch date up here to find in this long list of more details of where that field is. And you'll see there's a date here. If you have not launched your product yet, but you're working on the product listing, set a future launch date. This will prevent that 30-day clock from starting, right? So set it for like next year. And then once you're actually ready to launch, you can update the date to, you know, the actual launch date. Or if you know when your launch date is, like you know when inventory is going to be at FBA warehouses, or you know the first day you're going to be ready to ship, and you know that your product page is going to be optimized by then, plug that data and go for it. Then you won't have to change it later. You can change it at any time, but this launch dates are really important to kind of control that 30-day clock, right? So use it, make sure you're using it in, you know, all of your launches. Obviously, I'm showing you the manual way to do it, but you can also do it in your bulk uploads. That launch date field is in all of those uploads as well towards the end of the spreadsheet, right? So use it, guys. Bye.